Hey guys, I'm Jade holding from Photo Factor. Welcome to this 5-part series, chapter 3 of getting to understand layers. In this episode 3, I'm going to show you how to resize a layer. By the way, if you're enjoying this series and you're finding value, please do subscribe. Right, let's dive straight in. So when we're working with a multi-layered design image, you may wish to resize some of the content of layers. So when working with a multi-layered design like we have here, you might wish to resize content of a layer or multiple layers. And the way we do that is, first of all, you need to make sure that the layer you wish to resize, you've clicked on that layer. So let's say we want to change the pink flowers layer. Remember we said if you go to the move tool and auto select is ticked here, if you just click on it, you'll see the pink flowers layer is now selected. And what you now do is go up to the top menu bar and you go up to edit and you scroll down to free transform, and you'll see this border pops up around the layer which you are looking to resize. And so if I take my cursor to any of these little squares here, you'll see it changes. And if I just click on any of these handles, it will show you the direction in which you can move any of these handles to change the size. And so just to illustrate it, let's choose this handle over here and we just click and drag. Note that the portions of the image has been constrained. In earlier versions of Photoshop, you would need to hold down the Shift key on your keyboard to constrain the proportions. Newer versions of Photoshop, they've done away with that, and the proportions are automatically constrained. And once you're happy with the resizing, you just hit enter and bam. Easy as that. Let's go back a step. Now let's say we want to resize more than one image. So remember, if we wish to choose multiple layers, we make sure one of the layers we wish to transform is selected, and by holding down Command on your Mac or Control on the Windows, you just select the additional layers. And now again, if you go up to edit, down to free transform, you'll see that border sits around both the layers. And so if I want to now resize and I click and drag on one of those handles, note how it affects both of the layers. Easy. And then just lastly, another useful tip is, let's say you've got the pink flowers layer and you've applied a transform. Like so, and you're happy with that, and now you want to repeat the exact same transformation with the orange flowers layer. We just go over to that layer, click on it, go back up to edit, go down to transform, and you'll see here is the option to do that again. Note the keyboard shortcuts. I love keyboard shortcuts. And you just click on that, and you'll see it's applied the exact same transformation to that layer. Note, however, that it has now extended outside of the canvas area. So you may want to just move it in accordingly. And so now you know how to change the selected content of any particular layer or layers. If you found this tutorial useful, do give us a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and stay tuned for episode 4 in this 5-part series of how to add images to a layered design. See you there.